So if you want to go ahead and add in interesting headings inside of Jotform, then what you can do is you can utilize big header widgets. So to do that, you can go around onto widgets, and if you were to type in big header right here, then you can see that there's different big header widgets right here with different styles. You can go ahead and click one of each right here. Let's say for example, then you simply have different heading styles as you can see. Like you can go ahead and type in TutorTube right here. Let's say for example, you can add in subheader as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to say keep on learning right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and copy the same style out right here. Keep on learning right here. Then I'm going to go around over here. This is the big header chubby style as you can see right here. Seems like this is the chubby style right here. This one right here is chubby as well. Seems like I brought in the same header. So you can see that I got this one as well. So let's just go ahead and bring it in, add in, let's say for example, the subheader on all of it. And I'm going to go ahead and copy out TutorTube and keep it all right here, just like this. So basically you can go ahead and do this, and you can even go around onto properties, change around the label, add in a label right here. You can align it out. You can go around and shrink it out as you want as well as you want. So let me just go ahead and preview out the form now right here. Then you simply have this big header as you can see in different styles, just like this. So if you want to go ahead and add in a graphical touch to your form in Jotform, then you can utilize the big header widgets just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.